My name is Sai Shri. I build battery packs in Aurora, Illinois. Behind me are 16 sodium ion cells, no lithium, no cobalt, a fundamentally different chemistry. This is part one of documenting something that, as far as I can tell, has never been done in the United States before. A complete DIY sodium ion 48-volt home battery pack built here, tested here, documented completely. Sodium ion has been in the labs for 30 years. Commercial production started in China in 2023. In 2026, nobody in the United States has built a complete DIY sodium ion pack and documented it publicly. That changes today. This is the ZERITHIUM SIB-48 16210 amp hour sodium ion prismatic cells from Hakadi. 48 volts, 10 kilowatt hours of usable storage. No lithium, no cobalt, operates at minus 40 degrees Celsius, 3000 plus cycle life. Every step of this build is on camera, every measurement, every failure, every decision. Starting right now with these 16 cells on this bench in Aurora, Illinois.
Each one labeled NA210-16. 4 boxes, 16 cells, 10 kilowatt hours of sodium ion energy. These are not lithium iron phosphate cells. These are sodium ion. No lithium, no cobalt. A completely different chemistry, and a better one for stationary storage. Inside each box, foam protection, M8 stainless steel hardware for terminal connections, and 4 cells nested in custom foam inserts. Every detail thought through. And then, the first cell. Blue ZERITHIUM prismatic, 210 amp hours, 3.2 volts nominal. Built for home energy storage, off-grid systems, and van life builds. Available right now in the United States from stock in Aurora, Illinois. Box by box, cell by cell. Each one identical. Each one packed with the same care. 16 cells total. Each one a 210 amp hours sodium ion prismatic. Stacked together in a 16 series configuration, they will deliver 48 volts and over 10 kilowatt hours of usable energy storage. The final box. The last 4 cells. Everything we need for the first sodium-ion home battery pack built in the United States. 16 ZERITHIUM sodium-ion cells, all from the same production batch, all the same chemistry, all destined for the same pack. This is what 10 kilowatt hours of sodium-ion looks like before it becomes a battery. ZERITHIUM, lithium-free, worry-free, powered by saltrabatteries. Every cell branded, every cell traceable, every cell tested before it goes into a pack. The terminals are M8 threaded posts, red for positive, black for negative, pre-coated to resist oxidation. These connect directly to the Seplos Mason 210 bus bars in Part 3. These 16 cells are going into something that does not exist in the United States yet, a complete sodium-ion 48-volt home battery pack. But before a single cell goes into the enclosure, every one gets tested. Open circuit voltage, internal resistance, surface temperature, weight, all 16 on camera. Part 2 is where we find out which cells pass and which ones do not. 2 cells in this batch failed quality testing. You will see exactly why and watch us replace them before a single cell goes into the pack. No shortcuts. Subscribe so you don't miss Part 2. The early access link for the finished pack is in the description. This is just the beginning.